Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package which contains a mechanical gaming keyboard by EasySMX. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and how to use this thing. So let's not waste any time, let me grab the Swiss knife. Here's the Swiss knife, and we're going to unpackage it. Well boys and girls, this was my video review of this mechanical gaming keyboard by EasySMX. For more details, please check the description to the video. If you still have any questions, leave a comment and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channels, follow me on the social networks and visit my website originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!